For thousands of years, gold ruled the world of money. It was rare, beautiful, and universally trusted. But in the 21st century, a new form of gold emerged, one that doesn't shine, can't be touched, and lives only in code. This is the story of Bitcoin, the digital gold that's changing how we think about money, banks, and trust. When Bitcoin was first introduced in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, few believed it could ever rival physical money. But as governments printed trillions of dollars and inflation eroded savings worldwide, people started to look for something beyond paper, something untouchable. Bitcoin's value lies in its limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. Unlike dollars or euros, no one can print more. That scarcity made it powerful and dangerous to the traditional financial order. Governments tried to regulate it. Banks feared it. But the people, the ones tired of manipulation, embraced it. And slowly, Bitcoin began to rise, one block at a time, creating a new global economy outside government control. Today, Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a statement. A declaration that trust can exist without authority. But will digital gold truly replace real gold? Or will it face the same fate as every revolution, consumed by the system it tried to destroy? History suggests every currency, no matter how strong, eventually bends to power and politics. Will Bitcoin be any different? Stay till the end and subscribe to Finance Untold as we uncover the untold history and the uncertain future of money.